You gotta put on your strap before you put on your gloves. So, I've been riding for about 22 years, and for the last 10 years basically I've had no car, just a motorcycle. So rain, wind, storm, heat, all of that was my everyday on a motorcycle. So I've always thought about doing a video about how I stay safe riding in traffic every single day. So, and now that my son decided to start riding a motorcycle and learning how to ride, I thought it was a perfect time. So Nino, this one is for you, or for anybody else that's starting to ride. Before you come to a stop, you check to make sure nobody's flying up behind you. Here's another tip. When you get on the expressway, get on the expressway faster than the flow of traffic is going. You don't want to be the slowest one there, because then somebody can rear-end you easier. If the people in front of you are going slower, change lanes and get in early. So U-turns used to drive me nuts when I started riding. I always thought I was going to drop the bike, but the trick is hold your rear brake a little bit and no problem. Sometimes I don't feel comfortable filtering for one freaking car that's sticking out, even though I know that once I get there it's fine, I can go around it. But I'd rather hang out here in the shade. One of the things that you do when you're getting to an intersection to make yourself a little bit more visible, it's called presenting yourself. And this just means, hey, that guy is coming out, you move a little bit, you stand out of the pack, you stand out from the cars, you're visible. Otherwise you blend into the background, and then stuff happens. That's also the same reason why you don't move at the same speed of traffic. You move a little bit faster than the speed of traffic. Even though you're gonna be in trouble with the law, I'd rather get a speeding ticket than somebody ram into me because I blend into the background. Yeah, filter to the front every chance you get. Yes, I know it's still illegal in Florida, but it will keep you safer. See, so right now I was eating crap and I came to a stop and I'm in second gear. I'm not in first gear. My foot is on the brake. And you got two options. You can put your foot down, you can switch and put your bike in first gear, or you can just take off in second. You just have to be more gentle with the throttle and with the clutch. But it's not much. Your bike can totally take off in second gear, even the R3. See? A little more gentle with the clutch on the left and a little more throttle on the right than you would, and that's it. No problemo. Right now, they're all police officers behind me. So I won't do anything stupid. Now he's going to go look for a better target because I didn't give him no opportunity. All safer. One of the most important things I think in staying safe in traffic, especially rush hour, lots of traffic, cover your clutch, cover your brakes. Like that, you're always ready. You're ready to downshift, you're ready to brake hard if you need to, you're ready to get out the way. Like this one, right? He's not looking. I also move around. I move around a lot in this case because of the manhole covers, but I try to find any excuse to make a move because it makes you more visible again, and it also makes you practice your evasive skills. So in the case that you had something to really avoid on the road, you're ready to do it. So play with manhole covers, go around them and pretend they're a big old rock. Play with a shadow on the ground, play with a stain on the ground, you know. Don't go over those stains on the ground. That's grease right there. I hope the Jeep don't mind. So as I'm coming to a light, I'm downshifting and getting into first gear. And then I'm going to pick my side depending on which side I have more room in. So this side I have more room in. I'm gonna pick myself right here. You always put your left foot down, your right foot stays on the brake. You're never going to neutral, you stay in first gear. Your right foot stays on the brake, left hand stays on the clutch. So yeah, when you start, you're gonna have problems keeping your clutch in all the time because your fingers are not used to having that kind of pressure. So you're gonna have to exercise your fingers, but keep them in there, and always keep your clutch in, bike in gear, foot in the brake, ready to go. Zero to 60. Mississippi, through Mississippi, and we're already doing 70. Coming to almost a complete stop and not having to put your feet down. So no feet down. Look, ready to go. And you do that by holding your rear brake and a little bit of accelerator, a little bit of throttle and a little bit of rear brake, and it keeps you stable longer when you're almost stopped. So I haven't talked about gear and the fact that I didn't wear any gear other than the helmet until I went down and had a little accident. I did not enjoy getting the dirt and the road scraped off my skin by the emergency room, so I decided to wear some gear after that. And then you got to think about how hot it is here. which is very hot here. And then you have to decide what you want to wear and what you don't want to wear and what kind of risk you're willing to take. But I just rather keep my skin on me for as much as possible. So as you can see, I'm wearing the jacket, I'm wearing the gloves. These are not garden gloves, these are motorcycle specific gloves that will protect you in case you go down.